Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So today we're going to get ready for Juneteenth by creating this beautiful balloon mosaic. I'll have everything you need in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, to begin the tutorial, we're going to go ahead and grab our template that we'll be using today. And I got mine from Elle's Paper Boutique over here on Etsy. So I just went ahead and purchased it. And once you purchase it, you'll be able to download it. It'll be in a zip file like this. Go ahead and open that up. And of course, you'll go ahead and highlight it and extract all. I've already done the process, but I just want to walk you guys through it. So you see you have different sizes, 2, 3, 4, and 5 feet. I'm going to go ahead and do the 4-foot option. So I'll just go ahead and double click. Open it up in my PDF viewer, and that's it really. We'll just go ahead and print the project. My favorite thing about her templates is that they're numbered, right? And it's going to print out in order. So once everything prints, we'll just lay it down in numerical order. Nice and simple. So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and print. I'm using my EcoTank 2750. It's just the regular inkjet printer. 8.5 by 11 size paper, and just gonna go ahead and hit print. Now that I have everything printed, I'll just go ahead and lay everything out in numerical order and tape the design together. When I do my taping, I like to tape just the center of the design so that when I go ahead and do my cutting, I don't cut any of the tape and make any of my pages come loose and have them flying all over the place. Once everything is cut out, I'll just grab a couple of my foam boards and lay my template on top just so that I can get the position down correctly, since this is like an odd shaped project. Once my position is correct, I'll just go ahead and tape my foam boards together front and back, just using some regular heavy duty packing tape, and then I'll go ahead and trace my design. Once I have my design all traced, I'll go ahead and use an X-Acto knife to cut it out. And then you'll end up with this. Once everything is cut out, I'll just go ahead and grab another foam board and score the whole board. And I'll basically end up with 1-inch squares, okay? I'm going to score horizontally and vertically. My boss, y'all, just coming to make sure that I'm doing a good job. So once your board is all scored, it should look something like this. And then we can just go ahead and cut out and glue the border. I made my border about 3 inches wide. So I basically cut every 3 squares. And that's how I was able to keep it nice and even all the way around. I really hope that you're enjoying this video, and if you are, I would totally appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I have a bunch of great videos coming within the next few weeks, and I don't want you to miss out. And make sure you guys check the description box for a link of all the supplies I used in this video, as well as the information where you can find me on Instagram and joining my Facebook crafting group. So once you get done cutting and gluing, it should look like this. Bomb. Love the project already. And now I'm just going to take a hand pump and blow up some 9 and 5-inch balloons. Well, actually, all the balloons are 9 inches except the black ones, they're 5 inches. And just depending on how big you make this will determine the balloon size that you'll need. Here's my boss again, you guys, coming to check the quality of the balloons. I'll be using a low temperature glue gun to stick the balloons together. And one thing I learned while doing this is that if you glue the balloons on the side versus straight down, you can get better coverage and you really won't need to blow up so many balloons because you won't have as much space to fill. And I would recommend do this from sitting at a high angle, but basically the same reason you can fill in the spaces better than when you're just sitting flat. That is it, you guys. That is our project. Pretty simple and absolutely dope. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time.